Imagine a production system where materials arrive exactly when they're needed. No overflowing warehouses, no wasted stock, just a smooth, efficient process. That's the idea behind just-in-time production, a lean manufacturing method designed to cut waste and streamline operations. What is just-in-time? Just-in-time ensures that raw materials and components arrive only when they're needed in the production process, rather than being stored for weeks or months. This reduces clutter, lowers costs, and keeps everything running efficiently. Why use just-in-time? Just-in-time is built around two key goals. 1. Eliminate waste. Less storage means less waste, fewer unused materials, and lower costs. 2. Improve efficiency. A well-planned system keeps production smooth and reduces unit costs. How does just-in-time work? Just-in-time runs on a pull system, meaning production is based on actual customer demand, not predictions. Instead of stockpiling materials, businesses use specialized software and logistics planning to order exactly what they need, exactly when they need it. Suppliers deliver materials just in time for production, keeping everything moving without delays or excess. For just in time to work, businesses need precise planning, strong supplier relationships, and careful coordination. When done right, just-in-time creates a lean, cost-effective, and highly efficient production system that eliminates waste and keeps things running smoothly. Here's a business owner who uses just-in-time, and he's going to be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of it.
All right, let me tell you about just-in-time inventory management from the perspective of someone who actually runs a business. Just-in-time sounds great on paper, streamlining everything, cutting costs, making sure we're not drowning in stock we don't need. And yeah, it has some huge benefits. First, lower stock levels. We only produce what's needed when it's needed. No more stockpiling products like we're preparing for the end of the world. Less storage space, fewer warehouse costs. It's a win. Then there's cash flow. Instead of tying up thousands in stock that just sits there, we can use that money elsewhere, investing in growth, marketing, or even just keeping the lights on. Trust me, keeping cash flowing is the difference between staying in business and going under. Another big plus? Less obsolete inventory. We're not stuck with piles of unsold products that eventually become outdated. I'm not in the business of selling last year's leftovers. Everything stays fresh, and we waste less. And efficiency? Huge. Since everything is precisely scheduled, we minimize wasted time and labor. No unnecessary production runs, no wasted materials. It keeps things running smoothly, at least when everything goes according to plan. But here's the catch. Just in time is amazing, until it isn't. First, if a supplier is even a little late, we're in big trouble. There's no safety net, no backup stock, just delays, frustrated customers, and a whole lot of stress. It's like ordering supplies when you're already out and then realizing there's a shipping delay. Nightmare. Then there's unpredictable demand. If we suddenly get a surge of orders, we might not be able to keep up. Customers don't want to hear, "Sorry, we're out, come back next month." They want their product now. And if we can't deliver, they'll go somewhere else. Accurate forecasting is another headache. We have to get demand predictions exactly right, or everything falls apart. If we order too little, we run out. Too much, and we're back to dealing with excess stock, which defeats the whole point of just-in-time. And let's not even talk about the coordination nightmare. Every part of the supply chain has to be perfectly in sync. If one thing goes wrong, a missed shipment, a supplier issue, a random delay, the whole system collapses like a house of cards. So yeah, just-in-time is great when everything is running like a well-oiled machine. But the moment something goes wrong, it's absolute chaos. If you're thinking of using it, just make sure you've got a backup plan, or at least a really good stress management strategy. Trust me on that one.
So to sum this up, just-in-time is a lean production method designed to minimize waste and improve efficiency by ensuring that materials arrive only when they are needed in the production process. Instead of storing large amounts of stock, Businesses using JET receive materials just in time for manufacturing, reducing storage costs and waste. Just in time operates on a pull system, meaning production is driven by customer orders rather than forecasts. This requires careful planning, advanced logistics, and strong supplier relationships to ensure materials arrive exactly when needed. The main objectives of just-in-time are: 1. Eliminating waste by reducing excess stock and unnecessary costs. 2. Improving efficiency to lower unit costs and streamline production. While just-in-time offers benefits like lower costs, reduced waste, and faster response to demand, it also comes with challenges. Businesses using just-in-time rely heavily on suppliers, and any delays or disruptions can halt production. Additionally, implementing just-in-time requires specialized systems and careful coordination, making it harder for small businesses to adopt. Just-in-time is widely used in industries such as automotive manufacturing and other large-scale production processes where efficiency is critical. Just before we finish, let's have a quick recap quiz. What is the main goal of just-in-time production? The main goal of just-in-time is to minimize waste and improve efficiency by ensuring that materials and components only arrive when they are needed in production. How does a pull system work in just-in-time? A pull system means that production is driven by actual customer demand rather than forecasts. Businesses only order and produce what is needed, reducing excess stock. Why do businesses using just-in-time need strong relationships with suppliers? Since just-in-time relies on materials arriving exactly when needed, businesses must have reliable suppliers who can deliver on time. Any delays could halt production,